Okay, y'all. Today I'm making some air fryer ribs, jerk air fryer ribs. I've been craving ribs, y'all, so I'm gonna make these. I really want some that's like on a grill, but that's not my situation right now. So we're gonna do some air fryer ones. I've air fried them before. I'm gonna link the video if y'all want to see it. I'll link the video, but we're gonna do some jerk air fryer ribs and. Okay, y'all, this is how they looking. I'm going to set them in the oven on warm just so the jerk sauce can cook on them while they are done. That's why I didn't put too much on there when I was seasoning them. Okay, y'all, and they are done. I just wanted the jerk sauce to cook into the meat a little bit while they're done. It smells so good and it looks so good, and I did a little taste test and it tastes good, so I guess I'm gonna do a taste test for y'all. Okay, y'all, you know, I got my little body down and yeah. Anyways, y'all, here it go. It's done. Well done. Y'all know I like my meat to be well done. Well done. That is really good. It's good. Y'all see? That is good. Let's try it with some barbecue sauce. Even though it don't need no barbecue sauce, that's just for summer. And this is the barbecue sauce I got. This is one of my favorite barbecue sauces. So good. Extremely hot. With some barbecue sauce. Zip it in the barbecue sauce. Oh, good. Oh, good. And I think I'm gonna just eat it with my some leftover cabbage and stuff I had. Yeah. It's so good. You don't always have to cook your ribs on a grill. They'll come out perfectly fine in the oven or in the air fryer. It won't have that like grill taste, but who needs the grill taste when you can have the air fryer taste? Okay, y'all. These are so good. They're spicy too. Okay. I'm gonna go.